welcome back to my channel. And today I'm really excited because I just got my Jeffree Star Mystery Box. My address is there, so let me just cover that real quick. But I did order the 2 premium boxes. As much as I wanted to get the deluxe, or the biggest, the largest box, they ran out of stock. Well, I was able to put one in my cart, but just when I was about to check out, they said it's out of stock. So I had no choice but to just get 2 of the premium boxes, and it just got in today. Although it's a bit sad that when I saw the sender's address, probably this is the warehouse where the box came from, it's just like 5 minutes away from where I live. So other people got their boxes the day after they placed their order, so no biggie. This is my first time to order the mystery box. I'm really excited. As you can tell, I didn't have time to fix my background and all that because I was just too excited to share with you guys what I got. I got this a few hours ago, so now I'm gonna open it. And I ordered 2 premium boxes. The other one will be a giveaway, so stay tuned. I'll give you the instructions. I have 2 of the premium boxes. Let's just open this real quick. I've already seen a couple of unboxing videos on YouTube. I know the items will be the same. I'm just hoping mine would have a different shades. Here's the first box. This first of the Summer Mystery Box Premium, and that's the wrapping paper. And this is what I have. So each of the premium and the large box, the deluxe box, will have a mystery lipstick shade. Premium box, you'll have 5 items. And the first one is the pop socket. I've been watching previous videos of the Jeffree Star mystery boxes, Valentine's Day mystery box, and the one before that, I think. The pop socket was a bonus item. Now it's included. It's kind of sad, but as I mentioned earlier, no biggie. It's my first time to order the mystery box, and I'm really excited. And I need this because last night I just dropped my phone while holding my baby. So hopefully this could lessen the chances of me dropping my phone often. So I'm gonna keep that, and it's in orange, color orange, not bad. I have liquid frost in the shade Ice Queen. Now this is very interesting because I think the past videos that I've seen with the mystery box, this edition of mystery box, they had a different shade. I think it was something peach. So now I have the Ice Queen, and I'm really excited. So I'm gonna open this in a little bit. Let's just dive into the lipstick. And I have Velour Liquid Lipstick in Can't Relate. So Jeffree Star, Can't Relate. And this is a different shade, guys. I'm sorry, but the past videos that I've seen the past few days, they have a different shade. I really can't remember at the top of my head, but it's completely different. And I'm really excited because this is my color. If the sticker matches what's inside, then this is one of my colors. And then I've got the lip ammunition in Jeffree's Girl shade. We're gonna open this in a little bit. And the mystery shade. You see the box and the question mark. We got 5 boxes in, 5 items in the premium box. So the pop socket, the liquid frost in Ice Queen, and 3 lipstick. So let me just open the first one, the Velour Liquid Lipstick in Can't Relate. I'm really excited. I've never seen this shade in the other boxes from other videos that I've seen, and it's really nice. It's nude. It's like warm terracotta nude. Let me just do a swatch. Oops. Oh my god, I like this shade. This is the shade, guys. I hope you can see it. It's really nice. Ah, I'm so excited. I love this one. Okay, it's worth the wait because I was just jealous watching the other girls do the unboxing videos, because I was like, I placed my order on the same day. How come these girls got theirs the next day? But it's all worth it. Now let's just check Jeffree's Girl, the lip ammunition. And it's pink. It's pink. So let's see. Okay, that's how it looks like, guys. I don't really wear a lot of pink. I do once in a while, but I don't mind keeping this. It's really nice. Oh, this is so Jeffree. So that's that. Now let's check the mystery shade. The mystery shade, here we go. I was expecting this shade, by the way, because this is what the other boxes had, the other videos that I've seen. It's like, yeah, it's like dusty rose, and I like it. All of the shades that are in the box are my type of shades, and this is the mystery shade, the third one. It's dusty, it's like dusty rose. Yeah, and I like it. I like all of them. So these are the items that I have in my first premium box. Now I'm gonna open the second premium box, guys, just to check. Oh, I'm sorry. Let's just check the liquid frost in Ice Queen. And this is it, guys. Liquid frost in Ice Queen. Spread it a bit. Look at that, you guys. Ice Queen. Wow. I love it. I love it. Well, as I mentioned earlier, guys, I've been watching a lot of the unboxing videos on YouTube the past few days just to see, and I was expecting the same type of items, but I wasn't expecting the shades that the shades that I got today, because all of the videos that I've seen on YouTube had the same shades. So I was kind of scared at first, because they're not usually my type of shades. I've seen the Karma, I've seen one that is like purple, dark purple. I forgot the name, but yeah, I was scared because I don't really wear a lot of dark colors in terms of lipstick. Now let's go on the second box. Let's just check if this is the second box. Let's just check if they have the same shade inside. So that's the box. Again, wrapping paper, and so we have the pop socket again, same orange. So this one is gonna go in the giveaway. Same shade, Ice Queen, on the liquid frost. There you go, guys. And 3 lipsticks. They're the same, so can't relate for the velour liquid lipstick. Hope you can see it, guys. It says can't relate. The Jeffree's Girl, the lip ammunition in Jeffree's Girl, and the mystery shade. Let's just open it to see if it's the same. I think it's gonna be the same. It's been the same with all the other boxes. Yeah, it is the same. Let's just to make sure, let's put them side by side. Yep, they're the same. No changes. So everything in the box, everything in both boxes are the same, no changes. I'll be giving away one of the premium boxes. Well, I'm gonna give the second box because I did not swatch any of the lipstick here, so technically they're all unopened. We only checked the shades. I didn't even take them out of the box except for the mystery shade because we wanted to make sure if they're the same as the other one that I just opened. And so what you'll have in the box is the pop socket, the liquid frost, and the 3 lipsticks. So you have the velour liquid lipstick in Can't Relate, you'll have the mystery shade, and you'll have the lip ammunition in Jeffree's Girl. I'll be giving this away. The second box, I'm gonna give it to one of my subscribers. Leave your Twitter or your Instagram handle so I can reach you guys if in case you win. All you have to do is to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment down below of your overall thoughts of the summer of Jeffree Star Summer Mystery Boxes. Not just the premium, you can comment about the mini one or the largest one. I want to hear your thoughts, guys, especially since I didn't get to order the largest one since they run out of stock in like 5 minutes. And I'm gonna be picking the winner next week on Monday. And as I mentioned, keep your put your Instagram or Twitter handle or YouTube ID so I can get in touch with you guys in case it's you who wins this mystery box.